Really, dude? Really? In the middle of the introduction? I apologize, everyone. Anyway, hey Hot Wheels fans, welcome to Challenge Accepted. I'm Hot Wheels Dr. Teen, and I'm here with 10 Hot Wheels cars that will be doing a Try Not to Get Eaten challenge. So, here are the first rules. Each Hot Wheels car will enter to this Alien Attack Playset, brought to you by that review that was since released in 2002, which is a pretty old set. So, what they're going to do is that they're going to be going through this entrance. Oh, mine broke? No, it's okay. It's okay. I thought mine just got snapped while I placed it under here, but it didn't get snapped. But anyway, so each Hot Wheels car will head to the station, get grabbed by the claw, go straight down to the vortex trap, and once I push that button, the alien is ready to eat some car food. So if one of the cars gets eaten, it's out of here. But if they're still alive, then they will not get chomped if they go behind. But I'm not gonna try to pretend that each car is a winner, but each car is a winner. So we're just gonna go ahead and make this fair. But I have to make this official. So, first up is Turbo Flame. Let's head to the station. Well, that was a surprise. Now to the car-grabbing claw. And now, yep. Here we go. Wheel. Well, he didn't get chomped. But I gotta make sure I make this fair enough. Now we got Police Pursuit. Well, he didn't get chomped in the mouth. Next, we got Cosmic Coupe. Up you go. You went inside the chamber, so you didn't get chomped. Next up is the Chevrolet Corvette. I believe this is a 2020 model. Yep, that's the 2020 model of Chevrolet Corvette. That is a miss. Next up is Ford Force. Nope. Now we got the Stingray version of Chevrolet Corvette. Oh, the nice Corvette has got eaten. No. Now we got Radical Racer. Huh, good surprise. Not happening. Well, if you didn't make that sound, that means this device here gives you a little distraction. Now I got what's up? Maybe I should try backwards. Well, if you're eating backwards, you're out. Next up is Croc Rod. An alien that eats crocodiles. That's strange. That doesn't reflect on 20 years ago for that set to be released. Because Crocrod was not even born yet. On this car is the Glory Chaser. Looks like the tiniest Hot Wheels car of all. And it flips. Well, that will be it. So, we got about... Oh yeah, let me turn off the sounds. So, today we have seven cars that have not get eaten up by the alien, but 3 cars, Crocrod, What's Up, and the Corvette Stingray, have got chomped and are out of the challenge. The challenge will be continuing on the next Hot Wheels 13 video for challenge accepted. Car Eating Alien Challenge. This is Hot Wheels 13 signing out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a nice Sunday.